Want the secret to live in a body and life you love? I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and I'm trained in Sarah Gottfried's hormone cure. So for the past 10 years, I have had so much fun. I've guided hundreds of women to really shine in their healthiest and their happiest bodies. Because of their great success, I want to invite you to take ownership and really recalibrate your health by joining me for my free 5-day challenge. It's called Own Your Body, How to Feel Fit in Your Body, even though hormone challenges, they're chasing you. So I would love to inspire you to your best health ever. All you do is register today, click the link, and let's get happier and healthier together. See you there.